Alright guys, if you've never stripped a stripper, there's no way you're stripping a KE70. That is one tough bitch. But guess what? We managed to do it, and the car's now ready for the manual clutch pedal conversion. So sit back and enjoy episode 2. Alright guys, so I've sped most of this up. It's a little bit slow and takes a bit of time to do it, but had a lot of help from Zion and Thomas on this one here. Pretty much just going through and pulling out all the bolts and storing everything for the dash so he knew where everything went back together again. So yeah, as you can see, we had a bit of trouble getting the dash out. First time pulling out a KE70 dash, there's a few tricks to it. We also went through, pulled out the roof lining, managed to pull out all the handles on the inside, save all the bolts, and yeah, we had a lot of fun doing it. After the guys went inside for a bit of dinner, I came out here by myself and started pulling some more things down.
And with the help of some local slave labour, we have managed to strip out the dash. So we've marked up all the connections, pretty much sit now. I don't plan on using them, but we'll leave it there just in case. I do plan on putting the L.S.B in here. So now that the dash is out, we are ready to start marking out for the clutch master cylinder. Nice hole there, and that will be marked from the inside. Then we'll use a hole saw and a drill to be able to drill the holes out and get it set up. So I'll come back to you shortly once that's done. And there we have it. We've made the holes into the firewall for the master cylinder for the clutch. You can notice that it already has the recess and the actual firewall itself. It's going to be the same for an aftermarket one. I will be putting an aftermarket one in there and reducing the brake booster down to a probably 7-inch or 8-inch. I'll probably go with a Wallwood dual ballast. But yeah, so far guys, this is the build, which is a bit of a mess, but she's definitely getting there. Getting ready to put that motor in, see how much room we have to clear around the bell housing. Righto guys, so a bit of an update. We are now at the point where holes are drilled for the brake master cylinder. We have stripped out the inside, everything's pulled back as much as we need to, roof lining's out. Pretty much everything in the engine's bay is out, other than obviously just the heater hose. We'll disconnect that soon, and the wiper motor. So we're going to get ready very shortly to start stripping out the brake lines, get this back down to a bare chassis, then start getting ready to shape it back, get rid of the battery mount because we'll be relocating the battery in the boot, and getting rid of the carbon collector brackets down the bottom here. Move the cross member in there from KE Conversions for the 13B. Also have the 20mm blocks to be able to space the subframe. So I have to clean that up. I will have to move the steering rack over 20mm. Should be a pretty easy movement. I'll just have to move one of the mounts, move it over to the driver's side 20mm, and then I'll be able to get another tie rod in to be able to get the geometry right. So that's it at the moment guys. Stay tuned. Next we will be doing a bit more work on this old beast, getting it ready for panel and paint.